Hello Seed Savers! I'm Bonnie from Circle City Seeds, and today I'm going to show you how to save sunflower seeds, which are very easy seeds to save, as long as the birds and squirrels don't get to them before you do. Sunflowers come in a variety of colors, sizes, and heights. There are dwarf varieties that grow to be about 4 feet tall, and there are mammoth varieties that grow to be 12 feet tall or more. The bloom of the sunflower is actually not just one flower, but many tiny flowers. And each one of these flowers will need to be pollinated by insects in order to produce each seed. Sunflowers easily cross-pollinate, so if you want to keep your seeds true to type, they will need a separation of a mile or two. Or you can make sure your varieties flower at different times, usually by staggering your plantings. But if you're just growing your sunflowers to enjoy, for birdseed, or to eat, you don't need to worry about cross-pollination. In order to collect the seeds, you'll want to wait until the flowers have been pollinated. You'll know your seeds are ready when the flower begins to droop down, facing the ground, and the back of the flower head starts to turn a lighter green or brown. If you're worried about critters getting into your seeds before you do, you can place a mesh bag over them, but you want to make sure you do this after you're sure the flower has been pollinated. You want to then remove the petals. When you're ready to harvest, brush off the little doodads here to reveal your seeds. And then cut the stem, leaving about 6 to 12 inches. Trim the leaves, leaving a little nub so you can hang the flower upside down someplace cool and dry. After a few weeks, the seed head should be fully dry, and it should be easy to pop the seeds out of the flower head with a light push. As always, you want to store your seeds in a cool, dry place where they should last up to 6 years. If you would like to purchase some of the seeds I've collected here today, you can do so in my Etsy shop or on my website, circlecityseed.com. Thank you so much for watching, and if you want to learn more about saving all different types of seeds, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below what seed saving video you would like to see next. Happy seed saving!